There are many types of gates suitable for different types of houses, and if you are still confused about what to get for your home, then here are some of the best as well as a simple gate design for small houses as well as big houses that you need to check out, and rather you can choose one for your home. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you unique, trending and amazing gate design. So watch the full video and also subscribe my YouTube channel so that whenever I upload a video you will get notification. Your gate and fence are essential to the overall design of your home and should ideally reflect the design of its interior as well as exterior. From classic to modern to customized design, whether steel or stainless steel and the combination of wood and steel, we have a wide range of gate design to choose from. Gates are the first things that we notice while entering in any home, and moreover gate makes any house appear beautiful, and they also maintain the privacy as well as the security of any house. So added security measures such as automatic gates are always an upside to any family home. Many families find themselves to be at peace when they have added security measure of a security gate, especially families with young children and pets. These families are more at ease knowing that their family and their assets are secure and protected. Sliding gates are perfect for many homes as they are specially customized, as they can be made from a number of products such as steel or aluminum, but they are also a very cost-effective gating system for residential homes. The only downside to a sliding gate is the need for a long narrow channel in order for the gate to slide across. However, they do not require a deep set driveway because the gate does not swing out. This is the one of the most common gate design that you can choose for your home, and it would already make the appearance of your home look royal as well as elegant. The size of the door is quite huge, so your privacy would be maintained, and also thin seems to be very strong, so it is a kind of impossible for any stranger to break the gate. The gate serves as the entrance to the cavity and should be designed to permit the move to fill easily. A cavity can have more than one gate to ensure easy separation of the runner and the part, but large enough to prevent early freeze of polymer. Here you would see that there would be white wooden walls at the surrounding, and in between the gate would be made, which seems simple, with some wooden strips that are combined to make these small gate, and you can set flower aside to make it look more beautiful. It can be simply found in the market, and if you stay in a small house which has got a small garden in front, then this gate seems perfect. You can get many colors option in these kind of gate, but rustic black or brown seems perfect. The gate is wide enough which ensure that even if you have four-wheelers, then also it can simply pass through the gate. Here you would see small as well as gorgeous iron detailing and designs going on all over the house. House front gate design ideas with small eye-catching wooden gates are beautiful for enhancing the beauty of any homes. A gateway to the garden, and these type of gate would only suit in your home if you have a large garden which has got lots of flower as well as plants. Here you can actually have two stone block, and between that you can set your gate, which would be of green color as it suit with the concept of the garden gate. Here the gate would be one of the part and would open in either side is small, so at a time only one person can get into the house or in the garden. A huge gate is made up of both iron as well as wood, and the combination altogether seems amazing, and also it suits best for the big houses as well as for villas. You would see that the whole structure of the gate is made up of iron, and there is nice designing and pattern everywhere. Basically some scare stairs are here filled up by wooden log, and altogether the look come amazing. The door would maintain your privacy and no one would be able to peep through in your home, and here the door seems like the door of the building itself, and it is because of the concrete or cement structure around the gate. The gate has got two wooden logs, so it open at the middle portion, and it also makes space look classy as well as elegant at the same time. If you would have this type of gate for your home, then you would automatically start getting lots of compliments. The gate is actually divided sometime into three parts, and middle part of the gate has been kept quite simple with just red stripper, or the side part of the gate has got zigzag design all over, and the side parts are painted in white color, which seems constructing with the red color. If you have a small gate, which seems to be perfect for small houses, and if you have a cute house, then you should select a small gate. Here the gate has got a rectangle structure, and there are some curved lines going one after in another line. If you would like more information on gates for homes and residential properties, then subscribe my YouTube channel, because on this channel I upload videos about home decoration ideas. I hope that you like these ideas. Please hit on like button, and also I thankful all of you for watching my videos. Thanks again.